Welcome to Assign Calibration Files, part of the Theia 3D tutorial series. In this video, we will describe how to use the Assign Calibration Files tool to add calibration files to corresponding movement trial folders. To start, your video data should be organized in the nested data structure required by Theia 3D, and you should have a calibration TXT file, or XCP file if you are using Vicon cameras. If your video data is not yet organized, you can watch the Organize Videos tutorial and complete that step before proceeding. If you do not have a calibration TXT file and are using the Theia 3D chessboard calibration method, you can watch the chessboard calibration tutorial and complete that step first. If you are using a third-party calibration method such as a wand calibration from Qualisys or Vicon, you will need to save the calibration file as TXT or XCP. First, navigate to Assign Calibration File under the Tools drop-down menu. Click the Browse button at the right side of the window. Then navigate to and select the calibration file you will be assigning to your movement trials. Click Open. Next, click the plus symbol to select and add movement trials to the list. All nested trials within the folder you select will be added to the trials list. If you have added trials to the list that do not correspond to the selected calibration file, you can select them in the list and click the minus symbol. Or, you can select only the trials to which the calibration should be assigned, using Ctrl or Shift-click, and select the Just Add to Selection button. Once you are satisfied with the trials list or the files you have selected from that list, click Assign. A dialog window will appear indicating the calibration file was successfully added to the trials. The most common reasons you may encounter a failure at this step include: your video data are not formatted correctly. The camera IDs in the calibration file do not match the camera IDs in the folder you selected. There are too many or too few cameras included in your calibration file. Thank you for watching this Theia 3D tutorial on the Assign Calibration Files tool. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please feel free to reach out to support@theiamarkerless.com.